morning, guys. So, why I always say good morning? I guess because it's morning to me, and who knows when the fuck you're watching this. But anyway, it's been a while since you've had an update around here. You've seen what we're doing. Lisa's been going around showing you the stuff, kind of step by step what's going on. But here's just a missed up, matched up, overall, let's see what the fuck is happening out here at Old Time Garage all over the place. So let's check it out. So, the office is obviously a big mess. Lisa's got a blender here that she's getting Jared, our fabulous painter, to do in Metal Flake. Yes, now she's doing her house blender. You saw a little while ago she did her juicer. Now she's onto a blender. We got hubcaps all painted up for the 36. We got mess of parts laying around here. Parts all over the counter. My beautiful display counter. Can't sell a t-shirt in the world because we got shit all over the counter. But hey, that means you're busy. Stuff laying all over there, but let's see what's going on. We'll give you an update. So we've got a 78 Ford crew cab that came in for paint and body only. Customer did the welding. So Bruce is on that. Bruce is on that. He's got the fender. Customer brought a different fender, better shape. He's got the fender all ready for primer. He's got the doors here all ready. They're going to get first primer for us. Customer had done some body work on them. We went over it. Customer was trying. He did not a bad job, but they weren't really good, you know. And so we've got that going on there. In the background here you can see we got the little 57 Chev pickup for Aaron, who's doing it for my friend that passed away. Well, both of our friends, what am I saying here? Yes, if you see in the background, it looks like Lisa's Merc is uncovered. Yeah. She was eyeballing it yesterday. Because it's been a while. Good for her. Sometimes you got to eyeball things and check it out. So we got the Merc going on there. Yeah, let's see, we're jammed in here. We got the hood from the 78 Ford pick sitting here. We got the door off the 57 Chevy sitting here. Now you can't really see it, but we have been working on the 36. The 36, we got to clean the wheels up, but the wheels have been painted. I mean, I should say we got to clean tires up. You can't really tell, but we got you can see there's a big bulge in the back. That's the spare tire sitting back on it. We've been putting a lot together on it. Now we'll come outside. We'll see what's going on here. There's nothing really going on over there. The 66 Chev pickup, we're just waiting on parts for that. And then it's going to be up and on the road. So we're waiting on stuff like that. We've got a shitload of parts all over the place here for the 81 Ford pickup we're working on. We've got this 66 crew cab that we're doing for another friend of mine. We've got all the front nose of it done and over with. Now the 81 Ford pickup, you can see here. Here is the rolling chassis, if I can get in here. It's all been powder coated, everything is new, diff is rebuilt, transmission's rebuilt. The 306 is all redone. Chris just put this together yesterday, the engine and tranny in place. I know it's hard here, guys. Like I say, this is just going to be a messed up, fucked up video showing what the hell is going on. So we got that going on there. Well, these are doors for the 53 Ford pickup that you probably saw in a past video that Sean is working on. There it is right there. That's it right there. So somebody was really upset that there was an LS motor in it. But hey, not my truck, customer's truck. So I'm assuming that guy probably likes to keep Ford in Ford. Nothing wrong with that. Each to their own opinion. So sorry he's upset there's an LS, but not much I can do about it. Ain't my truck. Ain't up to me. Now, last night Jared was here and he painted up the 81 Ford pickup. The gentleman has gone a beautiful gunmetal gray. Why are the lights not coming on? Because I'm so fucking tired I didn't turn them all on. Here we go. So he's got the doors on the inside painted. Look at the shine on that. Look at how beautiful that looks. Did all the jams. Don't care about the floor because the floor is getting all cleaned up, dynamatted. Got all the back half done. Look at that. Look at that, eh? Can look up in the headliner and the guy be able to see himself, be able to comb his hair. He can think he's Fonzie. Wait a minute, I wonder if this guy even has hair. I don't remember now. Oh yeah, Mike's got hair. What am I thinking about? Okay, firewall's all done. As you can see there, looking good. So we got that on the go. Oh, so that is what is going on here. So I don't even know what's going on here. So what do we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know, 5, 6, 7, 8 vehicles I think on the go right now. And that's about it. Yeah, look at all these transmissions. Holy fuck, anyone got a Y-block looking for an automatic transmission? I got a shitload of them. Anyway, and again, at least it's Merc. So that's it, guys. That's a quick little shop update of all the stuff that's going on here the end of February. And we will get back on it. So thanks to all you guys again for subscribing. Hope not too many of you are getting snowed out. We're getting huge winds right now. Makes it feel like it's like minus 20 out there at the wind chill factor, but it's not. I think it's like minus 6 or 7. Anyway, so it's always a good time at Old Time. Thanks for subscribing. Remember, even though my countertop here is full of shit on top, I still got t-shirts and decals for sale. So hey, we'll see you next time.